So, YouTube has been going strong with their decision of switching their UI to the new Polymer. But it sucks. So I have dug up a solution to end this issue. Hopefully YouTube won't fix this anytime soon. Follow the steps that I have shown in this video carefully, and you will have the elegant YouTube layout back. So as you guys can see, currently I'm using the ugly Polymer layout of YouTube. For this to work, you will be needing two third-party extensions. The first step is to add the User Agent Switcher and Manager extension to your browser. Then you will be needing another extension called Violent Monkey. And also, you will be needing a script for the description box to work on the old layout of YouTube. Again, all of the links to these extensions will be given in the description box below and as well as the comment section. After you have added all the extensions that is required to proceed, head over to the homepage of YouTube. From there, you will see the icon of the User Agent Switcher and Manager extension in the top right bar. Click on it. Replace the box which says User Agent to the code that I have pinned in the comments section and as well as in the description box. After you pasted the code, click on Apply. Now, as you can see, the prestigious old YouTube UI is back. Now, you have to do two more additional steps to make the old YouTube layout work perfectly fine. Head over to the User Agent Switcher and Manager extension again and this time, click on Options. Make sure that you have checked the whitelist mode. Inside the box, enter the URL of YouTube which is www.youtube.com. Scroll down and click on Save. Now, for the last and final step. This step is required to get back the description box which is apparently broken in the old YouTube UI. Head over to the link that I have given in the description box and as well as in the comment section. Now, go to the Violent Monkey extension and click on the plus sign inside it. Now, copy the script that I have given in the description box below. Paste the script that you just copied and click on Save and Close. Make sure that the script is enabled. That's it. Go back to YouTube and refresh the page 2 times. You're all set. As you can see, I have successfully restored the old YouTube layout. And the description box is also working. Enjoy surfing YouTube with the old YouTube layout. Hope this video helped. Make sure to leave a like on this video as it motivates me to make more amazing content like this. If you want to see more of these tutorials, subscribe. Thank you for sparing time to watch my video. Have a wonderful day ahead.